Welcome to DermWire News, powered by PracticalDermatology.com. I'm Stephanie Talea with Practical Dermatology. The National Rosacea Society new public service booklet, Recognizing Redness, is now available. The free booklet includes a redness register to allow patients to gauge relative redness before and after flare-ups or treatment. The redness register is a scale with 9 shades of redness, from very light to dark red. In a well-lit room with a mirror, the patient holds the color scale to the back of their hand, neck, or other area of skin that gets as much sun exposure as their face, and determines the shade of redness that appears to represent the closest match for the redness in their skin, disregarding skin tone, and records the number. Next, the patient looks in the mirror and holds the redness register to their face where affected, determines the shade that most closely matches the redness, and records the number. A difference of 2 or more shades may indicate rosacea, and greater difference may indicate greater severity. The new Recognizing Redness booklet is an excellent tool for patients to understand the disorder and assess the fluctuations in their complexion, says S.D. Williams, Assistant Clinical Professor of Dermatology at Mount Sinai Medical Center in New York City. Because rosacea redness is so variable and can be difficult to measure by the eye, it is useful to be able to objectively track improvement made by medical therapy and avoidance of triggers for flare-ups. In addition to the redness register, the booklet includes information about rosacea and how it is diagnosed, as well as a list of the most common rosacea triggers. The new Recognizing Redness booklet may be downloaded free of charge on the NRS website, rosacea.org, or it can be obtained by writing the National Rosacea Society or calling the Society toll-free at 1-888-NO-BLUSH or via email at rosacea@aol.com. The first patients in Soliton's cellulite trial have been treated, the company reports. Patient treatments have now begun at the Chicago site, says Dr. Chris Capelli, president and CEO and co-founder of Soliton, in a news release. It is incredibly exciting to have arrived at this point of the study. A tremendous amount of work goes into preparing for a study of this magnitude, and treating the first patients is quite rewarding. The Soliton Rapid Acoustic Pulse, or RAP device, applies rapid pulses of acoustic shock waves to the surface of the patient's skin to create mechanical stress at the cellular level and induce significant collagen growth in a single 20-minute non-invasive treatment. The treatments required no anesthesia, caused no bleeding, swelling, or infection, and were evaluated by the trial participants as a 0 on a pain scale of 0 to 10 in 97% of the treatments during proof-of-concept trial. None of the patients experienced any post-treatment downtime. The Soliton device is investigational and is not available for sale in the United States. The company's first FDA-cleared commercial product will use rapid pulses of acoustic shock waves as an accessory to lasers for the removal of unwanted tattoos. The FDA has accepted Ortho-Dermatologic's new drug application for IDP-123, tazarotene 0.045% lotion, for acne with a PDUFA action date of December 22, 2019. If approved, IDP-123 will be the first tazarotene acne treatment available in a lotion form. Millions of Americans are affected by acne, and for many of these patients, it can be difficult to find treatment that works for them, says Bill Humphreys, president of Ortho-Dermatologics. If approved, IDP-123 will offer physicians and their patients a lower concentration of tazarotene in a lotion formulation, helping to further expand upon our growing portfolio of acne treatments. The NDA submitted for IDP-123 includes data from 2 successfully completed Phase 3 randomized placebo-controlled double-blind clinical trials in 1,614 patients with moderate to severe acne. The primary efficacy endpoints included the absolute change in the mean non-inflammatory and inflammatory lesion counts, the percentage of subjects who had at least a 2-grade improvement from baseline to week 12 in the Evaluator Global Severity Score, and who had clear or almost clear skin. In both Phase 3 studies, all primary efficacy endpoints were met with statistical significance. IDP-123 was also shown to be well tolerated in the clinical study population. The most common adverse events were application site pain, application site dryness, and application site exfoliation. Thank you for listening to DermWire News, powered by PracticalDermatology.com.